Hello and welcome to the ICGUY. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use different types of data types and variables in C++. In many projects, you want to store different types of information in C++, so you have to use different types of variables. For example, if you want to store your age in a variable, you have to use a variable called integer. So you write int and give it a name like age, and you have to give it a value like 19. My age is 19. Now, if I print this out, cout age and semicolon, you would see my ages got printed out, 19. Now, if I want to store a floating point inside a variable, I can use integer 2. For example, if I want to print out my GPA, I can use integer 2, but it has one little mistake, and I'm going to show you now. So integer GPA, and my GPA is equal to 3.9. Okay, now we run the program. My GPA is got printed out, but without the floating point, 0.9. So if you want to solve this, we have to use a variable called float. And this is how you store a floating point in a variable. Sometimes you want to store a character inside a variable, so you have to use a variable called character or char. And also you have to give it a name like favorite character. And a value. Remember, you have to put your character between two quotation marks when you want to store a character inside a variable. Like this. For example, my favorite character is K. And favorite character. I have a syntax problem. C has to be in capital letter. Now you see my favorite character has got printed out, which is K. Now, if you want to store a word inside a variable, like your name or someone's name, you have to use a variable called string. String is a string of characters next to each other. So I write a string, string, and I have to give it a name, like, for example, my name, and I give it a value between two double quotations. It's very important. For example, my name is ICGUY and semicolon. Name. And let's run it. Yes, my name is got executed. There is another type of variable in C++, which is very important, especially in embedded systems, which is called Boolean, B-O-O-L. Boolean has got only two values, true or false, 1 or 0. For example, if you want to check, for example, is that red color, you can use Boolean. So write Boolean, and I give it a name, red. Is this color red? True. Now I see out the value of that boolean and print it out. See, number 1 is got printed. That means true. True is equal to 1 and false is equal to 0. This is how you comment in C++. Now let me change it to false. Now I have to add another a slash in here. False is equal to 0. That's it. So for one last time, I want to make a story and use all types of variables. So I make a string to store my name, and I give it a value between 2 double quotations. My name is ICGUY, semicolon. Then integer for my age. My age is 19. And a float for my GPA. My GPA is equal to 3.8, 3.89. And a character for my favorite character, which is M, between 2 quotations. Now let me print a story out. See out. My name is 2 less signs and name. I want my name to get printed here and L semicolon. Again, see out. Let me copy this line and paste it here. I'm age my GPA is equal to, now my GPA, and my favorite character, my favorite character is favorite. Okay, let's print it out. Yeah, my name is ICGUY. I'm 19. My GPA is equal to 3.89, and my favorite character is M. All right, thanks for watching. Take care of yourself and goodbye.